So probably you must have checked in the news or on the Google ticker that cryptocurrency exchanges are falling down, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other altcoins are going down. Now this happens. See, any asset, gold or stock market or land or real estate or any kind of form of asset has to go up and down. And when cryptocurrencies were very much in the high positions, there were so many influencers popped up on the YouTube recommending, hey, go and purchase this coin, that coin, Dogecoin, meme coin, what are the stupid coins it might be. And most Indian middle class people and families have invested thinking that they can become rich easily, right? So because of that, they have lost a lot of money. Right now, I am in July. The cryptocurrency market is just looking down, right? There is no way that it's going to go up back to the same position that it is there, especially for Indians. And I'm going to share with you top 7 reasons why it is a stupid decision or a dumb idea to invest in cryptocurrency as an Indian, as a middle class Indian, right? So without wasting time, let's jump into the new slides that I have something to share with you that will actually show you the reality world of cryptocurrencies and all the virtual digital assets that were built around this crypto market or blockchain technology, right? So let's jump into that and get into the news. All right, before I share with you the 7 reasons why you should not invest in cryptocurrency if you are an Indian, make sure to click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be more aware about the financial frauds and take wise decisions when it comes to building wealth. So let's get to the subject. The first reason that you need to avoid investing in crypto market is there is no regulatory system and that is accountable, right? So in India especially, there are so many exchanges, crypto exchanges like WasirX, Vauld, Zeppay. You think that, but they are Indian exchanges, but reasonably that they are not Indian exchanges. They are Indians operating from other country. So the first news that I'm going to share with you here is WasirX. The WasirX co-founder has shifted his base to Dubai. Immediately after India announcing, the Indian financial minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that she is going to scrutinize these crypto exchanges, these founders, so-called startup founders, have fled India. They moved to Dubai. So let's read the news. So co-founder of Indian leading cryptocurrency exchange WasirX, Nischal Shetty, Siddharth Menon, become the latest crypto entrepreneurs to shift base to Dubai along with their family, right? Now, if you see people who have invested the money in this WasirX or Zeppay or latest Vauld, they can't withdraw the money, right? So first thing is government has scrutinized, like it made them difficult for any normal person to invest because there were so many opportunities or so many chances to invest in money in the cryptocurrency using net banking, UPI, but everything is not available, and the government has instructed banks not to allow this kind of transactions on their platform. So latest news is that a trading platform, Vauld, okay, crypto exchange again, Vauld has stopped giving money to the customers. So if you see, like last year, this Vauld was promoted by big finfluencer who has financial influencers. Hey, it's the best thing, go and invest. Vauld is backed by Peter Thiel, like big investors are there. But right now, Vauld is unable to give back the money for the investor, and I've seen people who have invested crores in cryptocurrencies, lakhs in cryptocurrencies. Now they are not able to withdraw the money, and you have been warned by the government not to go and invest in this, right? So this is a latest news that we got, that people can't. So it's very hard, right? Like even after you investing money, because there is no regulatory system. Let's say, for example, I go and invest in mutual fund or stock market. There is SEBI, right? That is regulating the market, and it helps me. Even if I lost it, there's a regulatory system that helps me to get back my money, or somehow maybe I got insurance. But there is nothing called regulation in this crypto exchanges. They are not regulated by government. They are not regulated by anyone. So when government asked, Indian government asked, like, you have to go by the laws, you have to get regulated by according to Indian laws, these founders have fled the country. They moved to their bases to Cayman Island, Dubai, Singapore. So you should be understood, right? Like, if they are really regulated, if they are working according to the law, why would they move out of this country? So that's the first reason. Number one reason is they are not regulated. So do not invest in any asset that is not regulated. Second two is all these exchanges are corrupted, and that is the reason why they are failing. Now you may see they talk big technical jargon. Oh, blockchain is this thing, and what are the related technology which normal people can't understand. But all cryptocurrency exchanges are failing for one reason, and the reason is they are corrupted, and anyone can hack and steal the money. So here, if you see here, the scams that were run by cryptocurrency exchanges, by the way, this is not, I'm sharing my opinion here, this is a news, okay? So how big exchanges failed and how much money investors have lost by investing in this cryptocurrency exchanges. So CoinCheck $400 million, MT.gox, I don't know what is that, 450 million, BitPay 1.8 million, CryptSeed 9.5 million. So your money is not safe, even if you invest in cryptocurrency and put your money in the cryptocurrency exchanges. Now you must be thinking, Umesh, I can purchase a physical wallet. So that is the reason you need to avoid investing on crypto, because all these cryptocurrency exchanges are first of all not regulated, and money or the asset that you invest are not safe because they are prone to get hijacked or scammed, and there is no one accountable for all these things, because government is warning, and everyone who are investors like Junjunwala, Rakesh Junjunwala or Warren Buffett, everyone is warning you. These are not real assets, and people are still investing thinking that they are going to become rich, and that is what is the outcome of thinking like that. Not thinking rich is not a problem, thinking rich quick is the problem. All right, so let's get into the next issue, which is high tax GST TDS on cryptocurrency transactions. So for that, I'm going to share with you another news here. So it says GST Council is looking to put 28% tax on Bitcoin. So usually any business that we do in India have to come under GST law. So if I'm a service owner, if I offer service, usually by like coaching training, it's under 18% slab. And cryptocurrency exchanges transactions are on the higher slab, which is 28%. So not only you have to get, whenever you transact the money, whenever you sell your cryptocurrency, you have to pay extra GST on that particular transaction, and that's not enough. The taxation, right? The tax on your cryptocurrency income is 30% plus TDS. So usually when we run a business in India, so tax is calculated on profit. So all the expenses, okay, this is much revenue I made, this is the amount my spendings are, like to running the office, internet bill, and this bill, that bill, these are my spendings and these are my profits, and on that profit government will impose tax. And here, if you see the beauty of this cryptocurrency, one of the statements is losses incurred from one virtual digital currency cannot be set off. So Even if you lose money or make money, you have to pay 30% tax. In business, you can show some losses and there are some provisions which you can avoid taxes, but in crypto, there is nothing. You have to pay 30% on the money that you made and 28% extra on the transaction. So basically you're losing money. And that's why I'm saying dumb, stupid people will invest in cryptocurrencies in India. Especially I'm talking about middle class. Rich people, they can go to Cayman Island or British Virgin Island or some other country that will help them to evade taxes. But what about the middle class people? Big chunk of people are there, right? That is why I created this video, to help you guys. Don't fall to that finance influencers who are scamming people by making commissions on the crypto, by promoting cryptocurrency exchanges. Number 4 point, reason why you should not invest is there is no intrinsic value on this asset. Okay, so that is why most of the big investors like Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are against investing in cryptocurrency, because there is no intrinsic value. Now, what is intrinsic value? What is the value of Bitcoin? How can you define a value of Bitcoin? Nothing. There's no value for Bitcoin. It's just simply traded by hyping up, by where gurus will promote, influencers will promote, hey, go and invest in Bitcoin. But when you go back, there is nothing value. Let's say, for example, I take a stock market, Tata Motors. I can see value in Tata Motors because they are into electric vehicle. They are investing in, technology. They are upgrading their technology, and they are selling a lot of cars in India. And there are so many different variation models of the cars, and it is very affordable. And I have completely no doubt in valuation of the Tata Motors, because they are doing business, they are showing profit, they are showing value. And that is where I can say intrinsic value in that particular company. Same is like ITC, same is like you take any company in stock market. Same is a gold, which is a rare commodity, and it is proven to have value for centuries. Same is real estate, right? So some like if you go and purchase a commercial property, hot property that is going to give you money, because real estate is limited, it is going to give value. There is value in that. But whereas the Bitcoin also promises that Bitcoin is a limited and it's a rare entity. But who created Bitcoin? It's some human. And Bitcoin or Ethereum are open source. Anyone can copy the code that is available on open source and create their own currencies. That is where the altcoins have produced. Dogecoin, meme, what are the stupid coins have produced, right? So where is the intrinsic value? Anyone can copy the code and create their own coin. What is the intrinsic value of this asset? You can go and search on Google what is the intrinsic value. You will find so many examples, right? Sweetness, for example, sweetness is an intrinsic value of sugar. Now tell me, what is the intrinsic value of Bitcoin? Oh, people say blockchain, this thing, that thing, but I'll come to that. Okay. Number 5th point is leverage government rules, never go against. And this is what most billionaires, millionaires do. They never go against government. Oh, your currency is fake. Let me create another currency, Bitcoin. This is a real currency. You are printing so much currency in the RBI. There's no value. My currency has value. There is a moment that you are going against the government. When you go against the government, obviously government will take that vengeance by putting strict laws, high taxes, and make your life difficult by you can't even able to withdraw the money. And that is the whole reason why Bitcoin has born. But you fail to understand, do not go against government. You are not a Robin Hood. Gone are those days. Let's take an example of how millionaires and billionaires avoid taxes by being accountable, in a legitimate way. So how Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk and Warren Buffett effectively avoid income tax? There are loopholes. in the government laws. You need to leverage that, but you can't go against the government and create your own currency, create your own economy. Then what is the sole purpose of having the government, RBI, and all those things? So this is one of the selling point for many influencers who sold middle class people that value of currency is going down. Yes, the value of currency is going down. I won't say I won't say it is false, but going against the government is a wrong thing, right? So leverage. There are loopholes. Leverage. If you want to build a business, if you are a business, if you think like an entrepreneur, there are so many ways that you can make much more money by leveraging government laws than you invest. What are the Bitcoin returns that you got, right? Number 6, and my favorite thing is, you see many gurus say, oh, blockchain technology can't be hacked, right? So blockchain is a very safest technology and everything. But let me share with you, it is completely false. It is completely false. There are so many instances where cryptocurrencies were stolen by hackers. All right, let me share with you what is that. So if you come here, so the biggest hackers are obviously North Korea. North Korean hackers target gamers in 615 million crypto heist. So that means North Korea, first of all, is a closed economy. They don't have any other ways to make money because they got so many sanctions. And the only way they can make money is by hacking cryptocurrency exchanges. If you see here, so blockchain analysis, a company, chain analysis says that North Korean hackers stole about 400 million worth of digital assets. What are the digital assets? NFTs, cryptocurrencies. What are the blockchain? What are high-fi words that you use? Those are prone to get hacked, right? So North Korea has proven that they can be hacked, and that's why they are making a lot of money using middle class people money. Okay, all your middle class money that you're putting in cryptocurrency exchanges are going to North Korea, where North Korea, our Kim Jong-un, successfully creating missiles and nuclear weapons using your Indian or other middle class people money without tax. Okay, he's doing that money. So, and the next beautiful thing is, I want to address this biggest concern, which is NFTs. So you see, right, NFT is another form of digital asset that many influencers, especially Gary Vaynerchuk and many other so-called financial influencers, have promoted, like as if the world is going to end if you don't purchase NFTs. It's completely false, because just by selling a stupid graphic, a stupid painting or diagrams, you can't, like, people have made a lot of money, like especially Gary Vaynerchuk. I probably made 90 million or 900 million in 90 days by selling stupid images. And one of his community member is called Seth Green. So he purchased biggest, another NFT from NFT market. This is called Bored Ape. Bored Apes are very famous. So basically they are nothing but monkey images, and and what his plan was, he actually wanted to create a movie or web series using his character. Okay, Bored Ape Yachts. Okay, this is his character. So he wanted to create a web series using a movie series using this character in his movie, but unfortunately someone stole his character. Alright, so he is not the owner of the character. Someone became the owner of the character because of the NFT. You will know who is the owner of the character. Now he went on to Twitter and started begging. Someone has pitched and my 4 NFT got stolen, and Darkwing84 looks like you bought my stolen app, right? It's not stolen. It's actually it's not bought, stolen, or someone has stolen and sold it to Darkwing84. So he's asking, man, now you are the owner of this ape, right? Sell me this, please. And I think he has purchased again, spending some hundreds of thousands of dollars. But if you see, non-fungible token, can't be hacked, can't be what you call some technical word they say, but anything on online internet can be hacked, including your password, bank account, and cryptocurrencies. So my dear middle class Indians, stop becoming fool for these influencers, financial influencers or big influencer. Stop purchasing stupid graphics or what you call images in the name of NFT. Stop investing in cryptocurrency exchanges or coins. Now, what are the reasons? I told you, let me summarize the reasons why you should avoid. First thing is, this market is not regulated. All right, there's more probability that you lose all the money, and this is happening right now. Many Indians are struggling. Next is, government is imposing a lot of taxes, GST, TDS, income tax, which there's no reason why you're putting all your hard-earned money in this unsafe asset. There is no intrinsic value. You are going against the government laws. Anything can be hacked, and I've shown you instances where, and there are so many people got hacked, and there are so many Ponzi schemes coming in the name of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. All right, so any stupid person can copy the code and create their own coins, and there is no intrinsic value. So my dear middle class Indian friends, don't fall into the trap of influencers. Take wise decisions, and if you ask me, increase your financial confidence, financial literacy, so that you make better decisions in investing. Don't lose your hard-earned money. And all these reasons why people are able to fool you is because you lack financial literacy. And let me tell you, there are only 3 assets that are proven to work and time tested: land, which is real estate; gold or silver, that has been there for centuries. There are so many wars fought between kingdoms for this asset, which is gold. 4 is stock market, where you invest in valuable companies like Tata, Reliance, or big companies that have proven to work for decades and decades. Don't fall into this stupid thing. Anyone can recreate it or anyone can hack it, right? So if you feel value in my content, make sure to click the subscribe below, and what are the takeaways, make sure to put in the comments so that I know that you found this video as valuable. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining in. Bye.